Give a couple taps. All right, today we're going to make sinker molds. A week ago, I found in my dad's tackle box sinker molds. So basically, this is a sinker mold. We're going to make them today. I can't wait to do this. It should be a fun day. All right, as far as lead, over the years I've fished. I have found 8-ounce sinkers, 7-ounce sinkers. So this is going to be a source of lead. These I found fishing. I found them on the beach. So this is going to be our source of lead for the sinkers for today. On Amazon, I bought an electric melting pot for $35. It came with the pot and welding gloves. Pretty cool. I just heated it up. So first time using, we'll see how it goes. It came with a metal grate for this, but it looks a little flimsy. So we're going to use 2 bricks, and I did a couple of wood level it out so it'll be safety. So once this thing heats up, we'll put the lead in here and use a sinker mold. Should be fun. Should be exciting. Can't wait to try this. All right, heat this up for 2 minutes. First time using it. It's about 8 ounces. We're going to put it in the melting pot and see how it goes. We're going to put it on high. All right, so we got it in. Let's give it a couple minutes to see what happens. In there, you just want to make sure you do outside where it's well ventilated. I just want to get that across. All right, we got the electric melting pot. I put a rack on it. It was taking a little longer than I thought to heat. Been going on for about 10 minutes. And actually, it's almost there. It's melted. We're going to let it bubble a little bit more. Excited? Let's give this a try. All right, we got the rack over the electric mold. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. But this thing, I think, is ready to go. See the mold a little liquidy? Let's pour it in. All right, we didn't have enough for that one, but we got these 3. If you look, we wait about 30 seconds. We're going to snap them open. I don't think we had enough for the 1 hole, but first time using it. Wait 30 seconds. We'll give it a little smack on the cement, see what happens. All right, Dad's sinker mold. Last time I saw my father use this, I was 10 years old. I'm excited about this. Open the clamp. I'm going to give it a tap. Well, knowing better, let's open it. It's pretty cool. We got 4 of them. We just took them out. We got little pieces here. So we got a metal clipper. We're going to clip them off and see how that works. Oh, that worked really easy. I got 3 sinkers. Eye for this. Smooth that out. All right, first test, we're going to try this twice. First test, we got 4 sinkers. I use a clip to clip off the ends of the mold, and we can sand this off, and the hole, just you pop it out. It took 30 seconds, and we can sand them down. But we do give it another test right. I think it came out pretty good. Nice and shiny. First test was pretty cool. First try worked good, and we're going to try another try with the mold. All right. Pour it in. This electric thing worked very good. Wait 30 seconds to give it a try. So it'll be a second test. This is fun. I could do this all day. My dad's sinker molds. I'm so proud of this. Second try. Pop it open. Give a couple taps. Here we go. Now we got 4 of them. So we're gonna use metal clippers. Just snap them off. The holes look good to me. That sinker mold worked great. Time to go fishing. Look at these sinkers, how they came out. They look great. We made about 8, 9 sinkers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don from New Jersey. Time to go fishing.